Sunday. And I turn myself back into the jailhouse tomorrow. So come and reset with me. So I do plan on meal prepping. So I'm going ahead and making some pancakes before I get started doing anything else. I normally use the old-fashioned pancake mix that I buy from Food Lion. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and wash the dishes too to get the day started. That way, there won't be any dishes for later other than what needs to be washed after dinner. Alright, I went through and vacuumed, gathered up trash, clothes that need to be put away. Alright, so I got meatballs on, which I'll do mashed potatoes with for dinner. I'm actually meal prepping meatballs, Greek meatballs for lunch tomorrow. And I have some things I need to put away myself, literally. Watching The Perfect Couple. I'm on episode 3 out of 6.
Oh, come on, dog, bro.
and having lunch.
I feel like they hit.
Alright, my meal prep meatballs are ready. I'm gonna put those in the microwave until I can get to them and make them before bed. But now it's time to eat mashed potatoes, peas, meatballs. Alright, so dinner is done. Dishes washed. I now have to find something to go with my outfit for tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear this. And I'm just gonna put some shorts on underneath of it. But I'm trying to figure out what color to wear. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Alright, so I came up with either those or these to go with this. I don't know. Alright, so I've been watching Love and Hip Hop while I get my stuff finally put away. Outfit picked out for tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It is 8 o'clock. I have some pajamas that I'm gonna get ready to get in the shower with. And I think I'm going to straighten my hair, which shouldn't take long because it's already straight. It just got frizzy. And then I feel like I want to gel paint my nails because it lasts like 2-3 weeks. And I want to keep my nails because I've been growing them. But dinner is already packaged up, ready to go in the refrigerator once it finally, cools down. Those Greek meatballs that I prepped for work this week need to go in the refrigerator. And I'm taking that to work tomorrow. So, literally 8 o'clock. Time to go to the shower. All right, y'all. It is almost, matter of fact, it's 9:30 at night. I've ate, I've showered, got my nails done. I think tomorrow it's just gonna be another ponytail day. But it's time for me to get ready for bed. So thank y'all for joining my Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Meanwhile, I'm heading back to the jailhouse tomorrow.